antique, no? Mga papi. Ang ganda ng purple. Hala, ang ganda. Six minutes na lang. So, ayan na yung mga bahay dito. Mga dikit-dikit lang siya, kachapapi. Parang ano, pinas. Yeah. So, dito na kami, mga kachapapis. Ayan o, discover the balloon world. Ah! I think that's the one. Chapapi, ayan o. Dito na kami, mga chapapi. I'm so happy.
Let's hope it's worth it.
So, ang parking is $13.50. Okay. Dami ng palang ano, tao, there's a people going.
Yeah, it's the weekend.
They're exiting, oh, look at the exit.
Yeah, just to be cool.
So, mga kachupapi, nandito na kami.
Okay.
What are we gonna bring with us?
Yeah, bring our backpacks.
So, dali na natin ito, mga kachupapi. So, nandito na kami, mga kachupapi. Tignan natin kung how
Go to
much.
the bathroom before we...
No, I already didn't go. So, yun siya.
11:30, so let's try to get done by 12:30 so we can have lunch.
Okay. Entrance, let's go. Hello, there's a lot of people. So, ayan po yung
These cost
price.
$10 more.
So, ito yung
It's like $120.
$120. So, punta na kami. Tignan natin kung maganda. Kasi kung maganda. Ala! Ala! It's so beautiful. Look, so cute, babe.
Yeah.
Ang ganda, baby. I like it here.
Size and movement.
Yeah, ala. Ito mata niya kay Papi, oh.
It's LED.
Ala, ang ganda naman. Nakakatuwa. Ang ganda niya. Yeah.
So let's see.
Ganda. Tignan mo yung view. It's cute. Ito, I like this one. Oh, ganda. Ano kaya nila ito ginawa? Ganda yun. What is this? Hey.
That's creepy. It's like a factory.
It's all balloon. Hello, that's cute.
On there?
Is that like sofa? Ha? That one, no? Let me check.
It has something hard in the bottom.
Look. Look. Isn't it weird?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Don't touch it. Dirty. It's not good.
I have wipes inside the van. We can wipe it when we get back.
There's a hand wash here. I didn't know there's a block in there. Ang laki. Nakakatuwa. Nahugas ako eh. Nakasaya. Ano kaya to? Sana maging worth it yung binayad namin, no? Pero maganda siya ka, papi. Oh, baby.
Anybody, go ahead.
It's not inside the balloon. Where are we gonna go?
Go ahead, go. I'm pretty sure there's a way. Just go. Just follow the lead.
Hello, I don't know where to go.
Probably here.
Just go. You're gonna go on the side. Security. That's a 2 feet. Laying down.
Yes.
So, susuot lang kami ng ganito para sa paa. Medyo maingay. It's okay. Ay, puro balloon. Ala, so beautiful.
Go all the way down, please.
Lamp is going down. I think this is the exit lang. No? Ganda naman dito. Masaya. Masaya. Medyo masaya asawa ko. Naging bata. Here we go. Yeah.
Be careful. Swim, swim.
saya. Baby, I never experienced this so big. Like swimming pool. It's kind of like swimming pool.
I can't swim.
No, scary.
Oh, it's dirty. Nasty. A lot of grease.
Nagugutom na ako mga chupapi. So, konti na lang kakain na kami.
Kind of cool. It looks like silver bubbles.
Yeah. Hello, what is this, B? Look. Imagining. Galing, B, look. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Mga kachupapi, oh. Kunwari nasa ano tayo? Nasa Turkey. No? Looks like Turkey, no? Yun yung mga kachupapi yung ano, bita. Diba? Ah, so Turkey tayo, no? Let's go there, let's go there. Let's take a picture there. Look!
Isn't that real?
beautiful, huh? They can see you. They have a camera there. Oh. Ayun kamay namin makachupapi, oh. Nag-enjoy yung mga bata ngayon. Ay, parang to. I think this is the last. Ah, look! So beautiful. Look at that, mga kachupapi. Hello, it's so beautiful. Look. Ang ganda. Eh. Hello. Nasayaw yung nasayaw din yung ilaw. Hello. Tidak kami ngipin. Do you enjoy? Looks like you're enjoying it. It's kind of like romantic, no, mga kachupapi? Ang ganda ng purple. Ala, ang ganda. Look at that. Dito kami sa mga souvenirs. Pio. Do you like this one?
I like that one.
For magnet wrap. Look. $3.
That one.
What do you like? Pink?
It's up to you, okay?
Me and you. So we have. I
You
like
get the green one, you should get the pink one.
pink one. Okay. What are you gonna get?
Green one. And I can write my name, you write your name.
Okay.
Oh, let's go. You
I
ready?
have a couple.
You wanna look?
Yeah, I still wanna look. Some pens.
There's bubble gum.
It's a pen. It's cute. Should I buy?
Like utensils.
Oh, for the baby.
For the babies. Pew, 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 pew. My magic remote. Beep, 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 beep.
Ang cute naman na ito. What is this? Hello, cute naman na ito. $8. Yan siya, mga kachupapi. Parang I like the ano.
It's the balloon.
Saan yung asawa ko? Tawag Ay, mga kachupapi, nandito na kami sa van. At ito yung ating nabiling. Ala, ang cute! Ang cute naman ito. Diba, ang cute. Parang siyang hair clip. Maganda siya, oh, mga kachupapi. Masaya. Kaya lang mahal. Namamahalan ako kasi binayad namin. How much you pay? 100 plus?
109 plus $13 parking.
109. Mahal mga kachupapi, pero masaya. Kung gusto niyo ma-experience, masaya siya. Pero mahal. Parang hindi siya worth it dun sa price niya. Medyo namamahal na. Pero okay lang. At least na-experience namin. One time lang naman kami pupunta rito. And then, next stop, we're gonna eat na. Kasi anong oras na, B? What time is it?
It is 1 o'clock.
Okay. Very good. Alam na.
30 minutes to get there.
So, kachupapi, let's go. Let's eat na. Gutom na. Gutom na ako talaga. Kumukulo na yung tiyan ko kasi hindi pa ako makain. Banana pa lang yung nakakain ko kanina. Pero okay lang din. At paano nakapag-fasting din ako. Diba?
The only thing positive about the city is that even if you make a wrong turn, every corner kind of connects.
Yeah.
So then you can always just go back.
Na-amaze ako mga kachupapi kasi noon yung bata ako, may nakikita ko na itong bahay na to pang ano lang to, pang American,
Here.
pang American house. No turn on red. No turn on red
Yes.
Kinakabahan ako pagka nagdadrive yung asawa ko sa city. Kinakabahan ako ng todo-todo. Parang feeling ko mayat-maya may mga sasakyan. Alam mo yung mayat-maya may mga taong dumadaan. Hindi tulad dun sa matukang ka lang, relax ka lang pag nagdadrive ka eh. Ang ganda lang why in Chicago there's a lot of brick house? No.
I'm not sure.
Siguro this is an old city. No.
I don't know. Maybe. Chicago's been around a while, but I don't know how long
Yeah.
or how old.
Because bricks is kind of like old.
Yeah, in the old days, they used brick.
Nice.
Small restaurant on the side street.
Dito lang kami makatsupa. Ditong hawag. So, ilipat lang ng asawa ko yung parking. Ito yung kanilang new. Thank you. So, nilipat ni asawa ko yung kanyang parking dyan kasi hindi daw yun yung parking nila. So, magbabayad kami ng parking.
Conservatory. We're gonna park there. Then we'll take the bike. From here to there, I think it's
Tikman natin.
still another 30 minutes. This is Shanghai. It's very hot.
Ang sarap po. Sarap.
It's good. Very good. Okay. I guess we'll see.
Wow, so the less yata.
That smell good. It's very good.
Good.
Yeah, it's morning.
Tikman natin to. Ay! Malinis pa rin. Tikman natin. Lechon kawali. Sarap, B. Enjoyin muna namin to, mga kachupapi, mag-date. Nag-order kami ng halo-halo, mga kachupapi. Ayan, $16. 16 daw, tama, $16. Ay, sarap naman, B. Okay, let's try. So we're just gonna go there. Good? Tikman ko nga.
What is this?
Ice cream. Ube.
What?
Ice cream.
Ube, yes, ube. What is ube?
I don't know.
You don't know? I know buko, I don't know ube. Buko is coconut.
Like it?
Okay, good.
Masaya na ako. Kasi nakakain. Anyway, mga kachipapi, maliit lang pala yung Kubo, restaurant. Yan lang siya, oh. Yan lang siya, oh. Oh.
Okay, I message Nick.
Ayan, oh, kachipapi, maliit lang siya, kaya walang parking. Kaya dito kami, nag-bite kami ng parking dito. Pero anyway, mga kachipapi, nandito na lang yung ating vlog. Gagawa na naman ako ng isang vlog for another park na pupuntahan namin dito sa Chicago. So, mga kachipapi, gagala muna kami ng asawa ko. And then, update ko kayo sa next vlog. God bless!